Ladies and gentlemen, part 3, charts. Alright, create a pie chart, format the pie chart, and why do we make charts? It doesn't even add any new data. Alright, so let's take a look at what we're doing here. Okay, so this is what we have so far, and we want to make a nice pie chart. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to select all this stuff. We're going to click on this label and this stuff right here. Okay, and then we're going to go to our charts, and we're going to choose chart types, and we're going to come here and we want this chart, and it seems like it popped out pretty good. So let's double check and make sure. We'll go ahead and insert it, and we'll move it over here. So we want to make sure this information looks right. Okay, so no workout, it says. So no workout was, let's see what we did the most. It said mostly we ate poor. Okay, that makes sense. We ate poorly. So based off of these things, it's basically taking the total of these things and seeing which one happened most often. So we can look at this and say, all right, we ate poorly most often. Next, we did weight training, so that's good. Next, most of these are about equal. We did ate healthy, ate poorly. Okay, so we can see what we're doing most of. And so it's, why are we doing this? Oh, by the way, now I want you to format this stuff. So you can click in here, you can change what it says if you want, you can change the size, you can change the colors, you can go through and make all kinds of changes. You can click on this thing and make changes. So go around and mess with this. So we can click on this thing. I want these to be quite a bit larger. I'll go 14. Okay, anyway, go ahead and format that. Okay. Alright, so let's go back to our spiel. Why do we make the chart when it doesn't add any more data? Because it actually, it says no new information, it actually adds some new, it doesn't add any new data, but it adds new information. I can look at it and it helps me make decisions on, okay, yeah, I need to eat healthy more often, I should probably go for runs more. Okay, now do the rest of the weeks. So what I want you to do is copy all this. So click and drag, press Control and C to copy. Skip a couple of cells, click right here and press Control and V, and then you're going to change the starting date right to the next week, so 9 dash whatever it is, and then change all this stuff accordingly and add a chart for every week. Okay, and so we're going to take all the information from our first goal log and we're going to put it into the spreadsheet. Okay, ready, break. Oh wait, are we done? Hold on, let me make sure I'm done here. Oh, yeah, so Google Sheets is a spreadsheet program that is used to store. We did that. We stored our information. We organized it. Yes, it was nice and organized. We did some calculations. We analyzed the information and predict the future to aid in decision making. Okay, let's talk about that. So as far as aiding decision making, you can see, like, you know what would happen if I actually, like, what would happen if I actually ran more? So if I, like, okay, so let's say, or let's say I ate healthy. So let's say I ate healthy one more. Where's ate healthy? So let's say I ate healthy like 2 more days, and so we can predict what would happen. Oh, okay. So we can start to see what things look like. We can say, oh, okay, hey, if I just eat healthy 2 more times, then all of a sudden my eating healthy becomes one of the bigger things that I'm doing. It's like, okay, yeah, I should probably try to eat healthy 2 more times during the week. Okay, so we can use this. You can use Excel to predict things, just like you would use a grade book. You'd say, hey, Mr. Miller, what would my grade be if I did this assignment? And you can predict or forecast the future, and then you can say, oh yeah, it's totally worth it. I'll do that assignment because it brings my grade up. All right, so this is exactly what spreadsheets are for.